4, nous live. Pied pour lui.
Personally, personally,
Personally, I recommend I promise you when you will get it. I give you money like you never had it. Let's make it
Professionally.